Welcome to the world of Myanmar dress. Our words when where tradition meets elegance and every stitch tell the story, culture, heritage and pride. From the gentle flow of skill to the delicate shine of handmade embroidery. The Myanmar traditional dress now for its beauty and grace represent the heart of fashion. Let's take your journey through the timeless beauty of Myanmar dress, the pride of culture, the sense of identity, and the symbol of grace. For women, a long, graceful skirt is paired with an print. When a Myanmar woman wear hair traditional attire, she did not just wear fabric; she wear history, family value, and culture pride. These dresses are seen at weddings, religious events, and even in daily life, connecting people to their roots. Or no matter how modern time become, each Myanmar dress is a masterpiece. Spent hours sometimes stitching and decorating the fabric. Skill thread shimmer under light while hand embroidery add a touch of Lucy. Golden pattern, silver lining and floral bring life to the dress. Every inch reflecting skill and after patience. Some dresses are made entirely by hand crafted by families of a kind filled with culture, soul. Color is the language of Myanmar fashion. You see vibrant reds, royal blue, deep green, soft pink, and classic whites. Many dresses are made with pure pink, smooth, glossy, and rich. Others are crafted with of cotton or stains for everyday comfort. Some fabric are hand dyed, other woven in golden threads. Is a combination of nature, artistry, and craftsmanship. The ways Myanmar dress is worn add to the beauty. It's not just clothing, it's elegance in motions. When someone walk wearing a Myanmar dress, the gentle flow of the fabrics, the colors, and the calm expressions create a beautiful, simple yet today the Myanmar dress continue to evolve. Modern designers are beginning from fresh ideas, mixing traditional waves with global fashion trends. You see Myanmar inspired gowns, office wear, and even runaway collections where Nashville wear culture motif meets modern. Yet, even with all these changes, the hearts of Myanmar fashion remain pure, traditional, respect, and proud. Myanmar youth and even version of showing the culture and grow without losing its soul. Myanmar dress is shine is the most during festival and ceremonies. The Myanmar dress is not just about fashion; it's a reflection of who you are. It speaks of beauty and culture prides. When worn, it's instantly connect others to their roots, to family, culture, and confidence. It's the perfect blend of culture, confidence, history, and modify. The Myanmar traditional dress is more than fabric, it's an art identity and provide woven together in a world that move fast. This dress remind us to pause to do honor the show start of handmade. Myanmar dress shine the most shining festival during the water festival. Bright and cheerful dress fill the streets with life at weddings. Golden and red silk gown sparkles like the sun during religious events. Soft whites and creams reflect purity and reflect every occasion has its own. Dress style elegant, meaningful, and full of emotions. The Mama dress is not just about fashions, it speaks of modify beauty and culture pride. When worn, it instantly connects one's to their roots to family and sectors and traditions that go back hundreds of years. History and the Mama tradition dress is more than fabrics and art because true beauty never fits, it's only become more meaningful with time. It's the perfect blend of culture and confident history in sector and tradition that go back hundreds of years. When one connect ones to two roots, each color tell a story, each thread carries tradition, and each design celebrates the spirit of Mimar. In a world move fast,